Last video was how to add mentally. So this video we are going to see how we can subtract mentally, which means without using a pen and paper, how we can subtract mentally. For example, there is a sum which 627 minus 11, so which involves a subtraction. So I told you have to convert it to the nearest 10, which is nothing but 10. So this is a subtraction, so you're going to take away 10 from it. So you know this is ones, this is tens, and this is hundreds. So when you take away 10 from this, it becomes 617. So you're not yet done because you have taken only 10, but you have to take 11. So you're going to take one more from this. So 617 minus 1, which becomes 616. So how can you do this mentally? 627 minus 10 will become 617, and take away again 1 from it, it becomes 616. So one more example. So 355 minus 11. So converting it to the nearest 10, it becomes 10. So 355. So 5 is in the tens place. So 55 becomes 45. 345. So you have subtracted 10. You have to subtract 1 more. So 345 minus 1, which becomes 344. So this sum involves 355 minus 8. So how do you do this? You have to convert this to the nearest 10. So 10. Okay. So minus 10. So you have to subtract first 10 from it. So when you subtract 10, so 355, 5 is in the 10 place. When you subtract 110 from it, it becomes 4. So it becomes 345. So just see what we have done. We have subtracted 10 from it, but we have to subtract only 8 from it. So we have subtracted 2 extra from the number and we have got 345. So you have to add that 2 back. So 345 plus 2, it becomes 347. Okay, it's nothing but the step is we have to take away 10 and we are doing add 2 to it. So this is the step when you have to subtract 8 from it. I'll give you another example. So this sum is 462 minus 8. So always before performing mental addition or subtraction, just know about the steps. So how we can do it? First we have to take away 10, because the nearest 10 we have to find out. So we have to take away 10 from this. And the next step is we have to add 2 to it, plus 2. So how we are going to do? 462 minus this will change to 10 to make it easier. So this becomes 452. When you subtract 10, it becomes 452. So I told you we have to subtract only 8, but we have subtracted 2 extra from it. So we are going to add that 2 back. So 452 plus 2 becomes 454. In this way you can find your make your own steps and find out the shortcut to be done mentally without using a pen and paper. So for now it maybe seems a bit tough. So when you practice all these steps using lots of problems and lots of sums, it becomes easier. You can easily calculate it mentally without using a pen and paper.